In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for cars on Turo with your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from opening the app to exploring the details of cars that fit your plans, all in a few quick, confident steps. Start by opening the Turo app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load the home screen. If you've updated recently, the layout may look slightly cleaner, but the process is the same. Front and center, you'll see the search bar at the top. Go ahead and tap it to begin. Now enter your location. You can type a city, an airport, or a specific address. Cities are great for broad browsing. Airports are perfect if you're flying in and want something close to arrivals, and a detailed address helps you zero in on a particular neighborhood or pickup spot. As you type, Turo will show suggestions. Tapping one of those suggestions keeps things accurate and saves you time. You can also enter when you'll need the car and the driver age. Adding your dates and times up front helps Turo show what's actually available and gives you more accurate pricing. Make sure your pickup and return times match your plans. Even a small shift can change what appears. Driver age matters too, because some cars have minimum age requirements, so entering it now avoids surprises later. When everything looks right, tap Search. The app will load a list of cars that match your location, timing, and age. This might take a moment, especially in busy areas or during popular dates. Once the results appear, you'll see a scrollable list with photos, the daily price, and key highlights. Prices reflect your selected dates, so they're a reliable snapshot of what to expect. Take your time scrolling through the list of available cars. Compare styles, sizes, and prices. Think about what fits your trip. A compact for city parking, an SUV for extra space, or something unique if you're looking to make the drive special. If something doesn't quite match what you had in mind, you can always keep browsing without losing your place. When a car catches your eye, tap it to view the full details. Here you can swipe through photos to see the exterior and interior clearly, and check the features that matter to you. Look over the pricing breakdown to understand the per-day rate and trip total for your selected dates. This page is your best snapshot of what you'll get and what it will cost. That's it. Open the app, tap the search bar, enter your location, add your dates and driver age, tap Search, scroll through the options, and tap a car to dive into its details.